I'm here down in Reddish in Stockport, where we have a Butler Elgamill, 5-axis Elgamill for auction. CNC controlled, and this was in use up till literally a week ago, manufacturing jigs for the aerospace industry, and in particular for handling aeroplane wings, etc. A company called B&H. The company is no longer in the premises. The machine is in working order and can be seen running by appointment, and can also potentially be seen operating again by appointment. In terms of getting the machine out, the landlord has very kindly given us use of a 15-ton and a 10-ton gantry crane with plenty of clearance above the machine. It takes up roughly 24 metres by approximately 8 metres in terms of floor space, and it comes with the cast iron workpiece holders. As you see there, there's an awful lot of money's worth of workpiece holders there, and the cast iron table that you might be able to see. There's various other bits and bobs, such as the benches, a whole host of manuals, computers, all the electric panels. As you might be able to hear, the machine's actually switched on at the moment. Don't ask me to start using it, I'm afraid that's not in my knowledge. But there we can see the controllers. And it appears to be ready for removal and reuse somewhere. So anyone wanting to view this machine can do so up until approximately the end of October, if you see the sale details. It may be worth noting that access is excellent into the building. It's a dry, clean floor, 2 cranes, as I mentioned earlier, a high roller shutter door with plenty of access into the yard. So it'd be quite easy to back a flatbed wagon into the building. There's no problem with access, as you can see.